Are the police still around? Wait up, you guys! What are you doing? Get over here! No trouble at all, really. This Rengoku. Sure you'll recognize him? Yeah. Tasty! 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 That's the Flame Hashira? Tasty. Excuse me, sir. Tasty! Yeah. It's you! Yes. I'm Tanjiro Kamado. Inosuke Hashibira. My sister, Nezuko. Sit down, won't you? Incredible! Calm down! You're gonna break the glass like that! A mission? Let's know that casualties on this train were on the rise. What is it? And then... Mikagura. I found myself doing it. Just like my father knew anything about that dance. Your father taking this Kagura and adapting it for battle. You should become my Tsuguko! He's a strange one, huh? Flame, water, wind, stone, and thunder. The breathing fundamentals. Is it now? How unfortunate! Sword become a Hashira. There is no need for you to worry! I can train you! Get back in here! That's dangerous! Let me at him! Seriously? No! I thought we would be... Over 40 people have gone missing. Thank you. Conductor! Detect you. If you bare your fangs at the innocent, my bright red blade of fire! First form. Unknowing fire! You will not... What is that thing? Its arms look so freaking long! You'll be safe in the back. Now, let's finish this. Second form. Rising scorching sun! For you! Very well then. Can I join? How did you? I would be willing to take you all in. Brother! Brother! I put them all to sleep, sir. Please. I'm begging you. You did a fine job. Now sleep forever.
What would you like?
Those who are sleeping now, to die while in the rapture of a dream. It doesn't matter how powerful a demon hunter you are. Have to do is stamp out their spiritual core, like a delicate glasswork.
We have to tie up the wrists, is that right? A duck!
Don't worry about me.
You don't have a fever, do you, dear?
I guess I was having a bad dream or something earlier. Delicious! Nezuko?
Yeah! Make a ladder, okay?
You have to cross a river, but don't worry, it's shallow.
But I can't swim at all.
It's fine! I'll just carry you on my back! Just leave it all to me! Here we go! Third 18! Third 18! Third 18! Over there! Snoring doesn't speak by me! Why am I here?
Oh, what if you've become a Hashira?
Just like that. Us both, with such enthusiasm. There's no use in dwelling on this now. Senjuro. Even so, That will not extinguish my passion. Listen, Senshiro. Keep this firmly in mind, no matter how lonely it gets.
Everything's set. I always use the utmost caution when Hashira or not will enjoy this savory feast after I have disposed of the demon hunters.
Like this?
That's right.
The dreamer presiding at the center will find the spiritual core must destroy.
I found it. And then I'll get... Oh, this fire. So hot. Jewel core. I've never seen a red one before. Destroy this! I thought that